80 words per minute. Get ready. Start. Learned counsel for the parties contended that since issues involved in all the appeals are common, therefore, they may be permitted to refer paper book filed in some appeals, in all remaining appeals and preparation and filing of paper books in appeals, wherein the same have not been filed, be dispensed with a stop. We order, as prayed for, and proceed accordingly. Stop para. The first 95 defendants' appeals have been filed by UP State Industrial Development Corporation Limited, within bracket hereinafter referred to as UPSIDCL bracket close stop, for whose benefit land was acquired by state of Uttar Pradesh and the provision of Land Acquisition Act, 1894, within bracket hereinafter referred to as Act, 1894 bracket close, assailing judgment and award of various dates passed by courts of district judge or additional district judge, within bracket hereinafter referred to as reference court bracket close, determining market value of acquired land under section 23 of Act, 1894, for the purpose of payment of compensation to claimant landowners. Stop para. The last six appeals under section 45 of Act, 1894 have been filed by landowners against judgment and awards of reference court, and according to them, market value determined by reference court is inadequate and oblique or does not reflect true market value of their lands, which have been acquired by state of Uttar Pradesh for the benefit of UPSIDCL. Stop para. Since, all these appeals have arisen from the same acquisition proceedings governed by the same notification issued under section 4, within bracket 1 bracket close of Act, 1894, and issues therein are common, therefore, these appeals were heard on two dates in bunch and are being decided by this common judgment. Stop para. On behalf of UPSIDCL, Sri MC Chaturvedi, learned senior advocate, assisted by Srimati Archana Singh, Mrs. Usha Kiran, Sri Ghanshyam Dwivedi, Sri Akhileshwar Singh, Sri K.S. Ojha, Sri Anuj Pratap Singh, Sri Pratik J. Nagar, Sri Shivnath Singh, Sri Nripendra Mishra, Sri S.K. Mishra, Sri Abhijit Mukherjee, Sri G.P. Gupta, Sri V.S. Shukla, Sri Satyendra Pratap Singh, Sri A.K. Narayana, Sri Ashish Agrawal, Sri Mahesh Narayan Singh, Sri Abhijit Mukherjee, Sri Arvind Srivastava, Sri Nishant Mehrotra, Arun Kumar Pandey, advocates, and on behalf of claimant landowners, Sri S.K. Lal, Sri T.N. Tiwari, Sri Tarun Tiwari, Sri Indra Raj Singh, Sri Jayaprakash Yadav, Sri A.K. Singh, Sri A.K. Yadav, Sri Gaurav Tripathi, Sri Ankur Tandon, advocates have appeared and advanced their arguments. Stop para. UPSIDCL, a company registered and wholly owned by state of Uttar Pradesh, for the purpose of developing an industrial estate intended to establish an industrial park in district Varanasi. Stop. At its instance, state government proceeded to acquire 261-23-2 acres of land at village Karkhianau, Pargana, Kolsala, Tehsil Pindra, district Varanasi. Stop. A notification dated 19/5/1998 under section 4 within bracket 1 bracket close read with section 17 of Act, 1894 was published in UP Gazette within bracket extraordinary bracket close on 21/5/1998 with the corrigendum published on 11/2/1999. Stop. A declaration under section 6 within bracket 1 bracket close read with section 17 of Act, 1894 was issued and published in Government Gazette within bracket extraordinary, dated 31/3/1999 and printed in daily newspapers dated 14/11/1999 and 16/11/1999. Stop. Possession of acquired land was taken on 4/1/2001. Stop. A special land acquisition officer within bracket hereinafter referred to as S.L.A.O bracket close, Varanasi made award under section 11 of Act, 1894 on 4/8/2001 determining compensation at the following rates based on quality of soil oblique land. Stop. Para. S.L.A.O also made separate determination of compensation for existing construction like house, tube well, hand pump, etc., as the case may be, on different parts of land, as also a standing trees. Stop. Since, that aspect is not under dispute, therefore, we are not giving details of determination of compensation for the said purpose. Stop. Para. Besides determining market value of acquired land, S.L.A.O also provided 30% solatium, 12% additional compensation and interest for different periods, as per provisions of Act, 1894. Stop. Total compensation of 261-23-2 acres of land, including constructions, trees, etc., was determined at rupees 4 crore 18 lakh 99,567.81. Stop. Almost all the landowners were dissatisfied with determination of market value by S.L.A.O, hence moved application under section 18 of Act, 1894 to collector, requesting for making reference to district judge to determine market value under section 23 of Act, 1894. Stop. These references were made and answered by different courts, determining market value differently. Stop. Para. Details of all 101 appeals, giving date of award of S.L.A.O and reference code, L.A.R number, area of land involved in concerned, L.A.R number, landowners name and rate determined by respective reference code, in the form of chart are given as under stop para. Before S.L.A.O, landowners demanded compensation at different rates, varying from rupees 20,000 per biswa to rupees 50 lakhs per acre stop. Compensation was claimed at different rates, but most claimants paid for determination of market value at rupees 50,000 per decimal within bracket rupees 50 lakhs per acre bracket close stop para. In different L.A.Rs, reference codes have determined different market value depending upon area of land, its location and other relevant factors. Stop. According to S.L.A.O, acquired land is on Varanasi-Jaunpur Highway and is situated on both sides of the road. Stop. It is 25 kilometers away from Varanasi city and at the time of acquisition, mainly was being used for agricultural purposes. Stop. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.